Hi, today I'm reviewing the L'Oreal All Over Honey Balm. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. So if you want to help keep the channel independent, please check out my products at the Amazon link below. So today is Skincare Sunday, and I saw this at the store recently, and I love honey. Honey in skincare products is definitely a good thing. And I was kind of excited when it says all over balm, and you can kind of use it on your face, neck, hands, wherever you have dryness. And it also said it was for those with very dry skin, so I definitely thought I would pick it up, and now I've had a chance to use it, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. So my first criteria is packaging, and they've done a nice job packaging this in a squeeze tube, so it definitely makes it convenient for travel, but it also protects the beneficial ingredients from exposure to light and air, so they've done a very nice job with that, and also has kind of a pretty gold color to it, so I don't know, that's a nice thing, right? My second criteria is alcohol, and this contains a couple different types of alcohol. One that's at the top of the ingredient list is a good beneficial alcohol, which is called, I'm going to probably pronounce it wrong, behenyl alcohol. It's a good fatty alcohol. And it does have a denatured alcohol towards the very bottom, which is benzyl alcohol. It's also typically used for its aroma that it has. So it's towards the end of the bottom, kind of sandwiched in between some of the fragrance ingredients this contains. So definitely probably be better without it, especially since it's such an aromatic alcohol. It's probably not the best for sensitive skin. So, so kind of a bummer that they included that. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is very, very fragrant. So it contains fragrance. It contains geranol, which is one of the more irritating fragrance ingredients and definitely can cause contact dermatitis, which is kind of an irritation from fragrance. So that's definitely one of the fragrance ingredients that you want to avoid more so than some of the other ones. So it contains that, limonene, citronellol, linalool, and then of course that benzyl alcohol. So it's definitely very fragrant, and it takes quite a while to dissipate. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, this might be something you're going to want to pass on. Especially, I wouldn't recommend using it on your face because of some of those fragrance ingredients, which can cause irritation and dryness and sensitivity. So you want to avoid skin sensitizers like those as much as you possibly can. Definitely be careful using it on your face or neck. Your neck skin is actually almost more sensitive than your face. So be a little bit careful with that. And if you don't have sensitive skin or super dry skin and don't mind fragrance, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you have sensitive skin, you're probably going to want to pass on this or just use it in other areas of the skin where your skin isn't as sensitive. So my fourth criteria is the manufacturing location, and this is made in the US, so no issues with that. My fifth criteria is ease of use, and it's very easy to use. Like it said, you can use it all over, hands, face, neck, chest. I'm probably going to end up using this more so on my arms, but it is very, very fragrant. It's kind of a florally, honey type scent to it. It's not necessarily even a bad scent, but skin is just better off without being exposed to a lot of fragrance ingredients. It can just kind of cause a breakdown in the healthy skin barrier and things like that. So, but anyway, very easy to use, absorbs very quickly, and leaves your skin feeling nice and soft at first. So, always nice that it's easy. My sixth criteria is antioxidants and pigmentation, and this does have some good antioxidants in it. Vitamin C, honey, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, so they're more emollient beneficial ingredients, but it does have some good ingredients in there. So it's nice. It does have a longer ingredient list, but definitely some good beneficial ingredients. My seventh criteria is animal testing, and unfortunately L'Oreal is not cruelty-free. Hopefully they'll change. We'll see. My eighth criteria is performance, and so when you first apply it, your skin feels nice and soft and hydrated. However, by the time I woke up, definitely the places I had used this, definitely when I woke up felt drier than they normally would had I used something else. If you don't use anything else and use this, your skin probably won't, probably still be a little bit more moisturized than had you not used anything at all. But I have a feeling it's from some of those fragrance ingredients and perhaps some of the cold winter coming up. It does have a lot of good emollients in it, but I think some of those fragrance ingredients for my skin, it just didn't appreciate them for the most part. My skin was just kind of overwhelmed with it. And I have very sensitive nose. I can't use a lot of perfumes. I tend to get migraines. Where I used to work, this gal just layered on the perfume, and certain days I just get migraines from it. So I know I'm very sensitive to fragrances. This one just has a very overwhelming scent, but I know a lot of people are sensitive to them, as like me, and there's a lot of people that don't have any issues with it. So I really wish I didn't have any issues with it, because I've got so many perfume samples. I've got boxes of them. I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to just throw them away, especially when they come in cute bottles. So I've just got stacks of them. But anyway, so there's just better moisturizers out there, especially if you have very dry skin, like this one says. It's for very matured, very, very dry skin. Not me, so I don't know. And then my 9th criteria is the price, and this is the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, and it sells, I got it for $19.99, but some stores have it for $24.99, so anywhere between $20 and $25 would be the going rate, but definitely get it when it's on sale. Yeah, so the price is okay, so definitely not too expensive, but if you think about it, for like $10 more, you can get something really good. First Aid Beauty or something like that. So, and then my 10th criteria is the it factor, and this just didn't have it. It's far too scented. It's got a lot of fragrance. I don't know. I know I've said that with pretty much every criteria, but it is highly scented. So anyway, hopefully there'll be a version like this that's fragrance free. We'll see. I know L'Oreal has started to kind of come up with some more fragrance-free options, just like Olay has. So hopefully they come out with something, because I am a big fan of the emollients and beneficial ingredients they included, just not the amount of fragrance. So overall, this got a 5 out of 10. So it's okay. Definitely going to wait for something that's more fragrance friendly. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to try this, or any of the other products from their honey line. They've kind of come up with this new Age Perfection with honey. So Hydra Nutrition line. So anyway, so leave a comment and let me know how you like it. Or if you've tried this one, how do you like it? So anyway, also check out nobsbeauty.net and the Amazon link below. And if you haven't subscribed already, I come out with at least one new video every day. So please subscribe. Anyway, so that is it for Skincare Sunday, and as always, I'm open to any suggestions or requests, so let me know. Anyway, thank you so much, guys.